Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being placed. Sync will speak first to the 911 operator before opening the line.
Mr. Jacobs! Oh my gosh, look out! Oh, wait, oh my god, hold on. Big wreck. Oh my gosh, right in front of me. Yeah, and you know what? I bought a Dashcam the other day and I got it all on camera.
Oh shit. Dude.
Thanks to the development of an app. And we have that story, plus traffic and weather together on the 8th. Next.
Simple Kia is offering worry-free driving for 100,000 miles. Or to the year 2029.
You will do as bloody damn well as you can. Imagine if you became an apprentice to a preacher. In 10 years' time, you could be a preacher yourself. You could have a fleet. Imagine what you could do with a fleet.
And other jihadist groups for years. The suspects behind the latest plot will stand trial in Jordan. A university suspends all 14 fraternities in the wake of a college student's death.